Drop everything. The official 2027 ANGELCORE pack by Xulf, Wortexhf, and SXDA is live. Over 2,000 files, 16 categories, and total splice destruction. The link is below. Let's look inside. Category 1, Leads. Pure aggression. Serum presets, vital patches, and viral clones from tracks like Starly. Category 2, Bases. Heavy Reeses, deep sub one-shots, and heavenly presets for Serum, Vital, and Spire. Category 3, Plucks. Crisp, sharp textures, and hyper-accurate melody reconstructions. Category 4, Drums. High-energy kicks, hard claps, hats, snares, and celestial perks. Category 5, Effects. Vocal effects, massive impacts, transitions, and viral TikTok meme sounds. Category 6, Vocals. Ethereal angel vocals and premium loops from the biggest tracks in the scene.
Free, with me you're free to dream. I'll stay here while you sleep.
It takes so long to get back home.
Category 7, Pads. Deep atmospheric layers and presets built to wrap your listener in sound. Category 8, Textures and Atmospheres. cinematic sound design to instantly change your track's mood. That's barely scratching the surface. The beast only wakes up once it's in your DAW. Grab the link below and use coupon code NOVA for 10% off. Don't sleep on it.